Welcome to Hateley Motorsport. Today we're on this big rig, the transporter, and we're going to get it sorted for registration this week. First things first, got to throw some new tyres on it. Got some new mags for it the other day. We're going to throw them on. So one of the main reasons I bought new tyres, besides the reason that these ones are cracked and perished and stuffed because it's been sitting for too long, is because if you look at these, don't know if you can really see that, but those ones, the new ones are a little bit narrower. The reason for that is eventually we're going to cut the guard down inside here and narrow it up a little bit just to make a bit more floor space on the inside, make it a little bit easier to wheel the car in and out. That and they just plain look cooler. There you go, much cooler.